The Aerial Ace Drone Team at Heritage High School's Governor STEM Academy wanted to share their love of flying with everyone. So they hosted the first ever Take to the Sky Community Drone Day. The event had a little something for everyone to explore and enjoy learning. Experienced drone pilots showcased their flying skills, while younger children and anyone new to the world of drones were able to pilot an unmanned aerial vehicle for the first time in a safe environment. On the obstacle course, various structures tested each pilot's flying skills. The Aerial Ace Drone Team kindly offered flying lessons to anyone while showcasing their technical skills with their customized, handmade drones.